Imagine coming home from work or school and turning on the television to see all of these television series, but instead of companies being paid to create them, you're being paid to watch them. Many people all over the world are earning $250 per day just by watching television episodes. If you want to do the same thing and make a ton of money online, you've come to the perfect spot because I'll show you exactly how to do it in this video. Now, because this method is completely free, you can use it anywhere in the world. The outcome of this procedure is unique and will vary. You could make a few $100s or only a few dollars, so employ the strategy at your own risk. In today's video, I'll show you 3 of the highest paying websites where you can earn money simply by watching television shows, as well as some tips and tricks to help you earn more money than anyone else. This approach consists of 3 steps. I'll start with the lowest paying websites and work my way up to the highest paying ones. Second, I'll show you how to make the most money from these websites. Third, I'll show you an approach that might make you $10,000 each month. So stay tuned and watch this video all the way to the end to learn more about this possibility. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. The first website is this right in front of your screens. Don't worry, I'm gonna reveal the URL of this amazing website after I explain everything for you so you can easily follow the steps. This website right here pays cash online to the people who watch videos. They pay more than $20,000 every single day to their users. I'll be demonstrating how you can use this website so you can get the most out of it. Now, when you come to this website, I want you to click on the sign up button to sign up for a free account. You don't need to pay anything to have an account. Here, you'll have to put in the information that is needed by this website. Then, they will send you an email confirmation, so click on that, so you can go to their dashboard. You can see here that they have a Twitter page, so this website is 100% legit and it pays their users every single day. So over here's the dashboard, and there are videos here that you can already watch. You can start earning by just clicking on these links right here and start watching the videos. Go to this earn section right here, and you can see different options that you can watch videos, but the highest paying so far that I know of is Offer Toro Offer Wall. Select this option right here, and it'll take you to the website where you can start watching videos and earn money online. This website is the lowest paying among the 3, but this is still very profitable, and you want to start on this website. The URL of this first website can be found at u-cubes.com. Just type in u-cubes.com on the search box and make money online. The next website that will help you earn extra money is superpay.me. This website is actually pretty cool. Once you come onto their website, you can read over here, make money online. This website pays you within 24 hours, and that is very fast compared to other websites. Their cash out threshold is very low, and you can work on this website from the comforts of your own home. If you register for a free account on this website, you can earn 20 cents immediately without doing anything just yet. This website is very legit, as you can see here. They have paid their users for almost $5 million. Now, if you want to register for a free account, you can click on this Join Free Today button right here. Once you click on that, you can see the registration page. Just input the needed information and sign up. There are a lot of things that you can do on this website. You can do surveys, you can do some offer walls or refer some people, but the main reason that we're here is to watch videos and earn money. Once you log in to their website, you can see the dashboard. I want you to click on the offer wall section. Once you click the offer wall section, you can see here that there are many options that you can choose, but we're gonna go with Revenue Universe and Peanut Labs. Click on the Revenue Universe and you will land on this page. You can see the different videos here that you can watch and also see the potential earnings that you can get for each video. There are a lot of categories of videos you can watch on this website. There's food, music, celebrity, and many more videos. you can actually choose the videos that you want to watch, and again, you don't need to actually watch the videos. You can just let it play in the background and you can do something else. That's just amazing if you want to earn extra money. Other than earning money on watching videos on the website, you can also do referrals and invite some people into the website so you can earn some commission out of it. So invite more people to earn more. Again, this is the second highest paying website out of the 3. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. So now it's time for the highest paying website named iRazoo.com. This website paid its users a total of over $150 million. This website is one of the largest websites that will pay you real money to watch videos. There are also some other ways that you can earn money on this website that I'll show you later. This website is obviously the highest paying one. This one is featured by different brands, as you can see right here. So this is how iRazoo works. Join iRazoo and you can score some free card or gift cards. You can earn points by giving your opinions and watching entertainment videos. After that, you can choose the rewards that you want. You can also choose the payment method that you want, and they'll pay you every week. Yes, they have a weekly payout. Later, I'll show you the top earners of this website and how much they're earning. Now, when you sign up to this website, you'll receive a free 100 points. You can see here in this section the testimonials of different users around the world saying how much they love this website and how much money they've been earning, and even how convenient it is earning money on this website. With that said, let's go and create a free account on this website. So first, I want you to click on this blue button right here, then input the needed information. Once you log in to this website, it'll take you to the top earners section. This is updated hourly, and there are thousands of people around the world cashing out thousands of money on this website every hour. The first way that you can earn money on this website is to go to this watch video section right here. Then you can see the different options of videos that you can watch. If you want to earn more money on this website, you can go and play games in your spare time. These games are very easy to play, and that's how you can earn money on these websites. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.